Welcome back. Today I'm making a mermaid pearl soap. I just added my milk lye solution to my oils and I get to use my new stick blender. I got this off the Amazon Prime Day. The only thing I don't like about this stick blender is that it has a children's lock on. What I do love though is that it is super quiet, and I usually make soap at nap time, and it didn't wake up my daughter when I turned on the stick blender, which is good because I don't like stopping in the middle of making soap to go and pick up my baby and put her back to sleep. So anyway, with the soap base, I'm going to do a blue and white soap base, hopefully mostly white and blue in the corner. So I kind of wanted a tropical scent to this soap, and I picked pineapple mango from Aztec Candles, and it smells absolutely delicious. It works perfectly with the theme of the soap, and I just love it. And it soaks beautifully too. The mold is on a slight angle, and that way the blue is going to stay in the corner. I'm adding white slowly to the same container that the blue was in, and that way the blue is going to get hopefully lighter and lighter as I go. I'm not the greatest at gradient soaps just because I'm not patient enough to go slow enough. But anyway, let's see if I can get it to go from dark blue to a complete white. As some of you all know that I got red hair, and when I was growing up, I loved the Little Mermaid. So I think I'm going to make my mermaids with orangey red hair. Also, I got 3 daughters that have red hair. So I got a request saying, Mommy, you have to make them have red hair. So that's what I'm going to do with my mermaids. I think out of all the Disney princess movies, The Little Mermaid is my favorite one just because of the red hair. Now, my oldest daughter, her favorite Disney movie would be Brave because also of her having the red hair, and then she actually started archery this year because she wanted to be like the girl of Brave. Her coach actually said since that movie, like the number of girls that started archery have tripled. Anyway, back to the soap. I'm adding some pink Himalayan sea salt to the side here. And hopefully it kind of looks like a little beach with waves crashing on it. Alright, I'm going to push this down with my finger for it will stay on a little bit better. Probably a lot of it's going to fall off, but if I push it down, hopefully I will get at least some of it on. Now I'm going to add some little bit of white to the waves with the back of my spoon to make it look like it's crashing up onto the beach. Alright, I guess I should have thought about this before, but the pearls are not going to stick to the salt. So I should have put the pearls in first and then put the salt on. Instead, I'm going to have to move the salt to the side. And then I'm going to use a little bit of piping, cold processed soap, glue type stuff. And then I'm going to stick the pearl onto that. And hopefully they will stick on. And the pearls are made with cold processed soap. It's just molded into a ball. The stars are also made with the cold processed soap dough. And then I shook it in some blue mica as well. Alright, let me speed this up here because it's going to take me a long time to do this because I'm doing it backwards. Ta-da! It is all finished. Now I just need to wait 24 hours and I'm going to cut it, and then we will add the mermaids on the inside. And here it is all out of the mold the next day. I already cut some of it, but the camera cut off, and I must have not have pushed the play button or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'm turning it on the side. That way the salt will not scrape the inside of my soap. And the gradient didn't turn out as I liked, but I wanted a light soap and it's not too dark. I think it looks pretty cool. Alright, so let's put the mermaids in the soup. Now I'm using a stencil for face painting. I got it off Etsy, and I'll leave the link in the description box for if you guys want to purchase it. And I'm going to put some chunky cosmetic glitter on the top to make the mermaid sparkle a little bit. Now doesn't that look sparkly? Perfect. Now for the hair. I filled the piping bag with half like lightish peachy color, and the other half is a darkish reddish color. I'm gonna just swirl it back and forth. I don't really have a piping tip on here, it's just cut at the end. Right now all the light peachy color is coming out. Doesn't that look so cute? I'm so happy how it turned out. Love it. Now here comes a little bit of the darkish color coming out. If you turn the piping bag on one side, you get the light color coming out, and then if you turn it around onto the other side, the dark color comes out. Gives the hair a little dimension. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, or even perhaps subscribe to my channel, and then you can see all my other creations I make. And if you're interested in purchasing any of my soap, you can go check the link below. I have an Etsy shop, and these soaps should be available in about 4 weeks. Have a great day guys, and God bless.